TE Connectivity's unmanned power connectors are a family of power or mixed signal and power connectors that are designed to help provide a reliable contact interface. The contact interface safely delivers AWG to 14 AWG Power and 22 AWG to 24 AWG Signal to various parts of unmanned vehicles and has mixed signal and power available in 3 positions. Each contact features removable, replaceable, and repairable contacts with contact locks to maintain contact alignment. It also offers a latch option to secure it in place. The connectors are capable of continuously producing power with up to 500 mating cycles at 80 amps per contact continuous power pins and 4 amps per contact continuous signal pins. TE Connectivity's unmanned power connectors are used in a variety of applications, such as unmanned vehicles, ground defense, robotics, and factory automation. Visit DigiKey.com now to explore the full range of TE Connectivity's UMP connectors.